Hi friends, welcome back to the YouTube education, and today we'll do the method number 4 of large sample test BCom semester 6. So here we will take question number 35. In that question, what is given there, we will try to understand from the question. In a large city A, it means city A. Okay, 20% of a random sample of 900 schoolboys had defective eyesight. Okay, so 20% out of 90% 900 school students. In another large city B, 15.5% of a random sample of 1600 schoolboys had the same defect. So, is the difference between two proportions significant or not? So we have to find out there that the difference between two proportions significant. It means, what about the step 1? Method number 4 is there. It means two proportion. So step 1, parameters and statics. In that, n1 is given, n2 is given, p1 is given, p2 is given, then q1 and q2 we will try to find out. So n1 20% is given, that is p1 in city A. It means A means 1, 20% it means 0.2. So the remaining 1 minus 0.2, it means 0.8 will be there. Here in city B, 900 N1 is given. Defective eyesight. In another city, 15.5%. It means 0.155 is given there. So 1 minus 0.155, it means 0.845 will be there. And here the number of samples are 1600. So all the information is given. Step 2 will be there. What? Hypothesis. So hypothesis is what? H0 H1 P1 is equal to P2. P1 does not equal to P2. After then, step 3, difference is equal to P1 minus P2. So P1 is 0.2 minus 0.155. If we will deduct that, what we will find? 0.095. 0.2 minus, we will check it, 0.045 will be there. Difference. Now what we will find out here. Step 4, it means standard error. So standard error, what does standard error say? Here is the formula. PQ PQ 1 upon N1 plus 1 upon N2. Okay, so PQ, here will be the cap. So first of all we'll find out the P dash and a Q dash. So P cap can be calculated as N1 P1 N2 P2 divided by N1 plus N2. So how we can calculate that? N1 is 900 into P1 0.2 plus N2 1600, that is given here, and then will be multiplied with P2. It means 0.155 divided by N1. It means 900 and 1600. 9 2s are 18 plus 1600 multiply with 0.155, 248, and 16 plus 900, it means 2500 will be there, plus 180, you will get 428 divided by 2500, so you will get 0.17 P cap. If P cap is likewise this, then how much will be Q cap? 1 minus P cap is equal to 1 minus 0.17, you will get 0.83. 1 minus 0.83 is 0.17. Okay, so P cap 0.17 into Q cap 0.83, and 1 upon N, it means 900 plus 1 upon 1600 is there. So P cap will be multiplied with 0.17 into 0.83, 0.1411 multiply with 1 upon 900, 0.0011, 1 upon 1600 plus 0.0000625, 0.011, then you will get this, and then multiplied with 0.4111 and then root, so you will get 0.0156. This is our standard error. After standard error, we will calculate ZCal. Step 5 our ZCal. How we can calculate that? Difference upon SE. So difference is 0.045, 0.045 difference, and 0.0156 is there. So how much you will get? Z 0.045 divided by 0.0156, 2.88. Okay, so the last step is step 6, ZCal and ZTab. So ZCal is 2.88 and 1.96 at 5% level of significance. Okay, so it is greater than, so hypothesis is rejected. And at last you want to write from the question, you can make a suggestion there that the difference between two proportions is not significant. The difference between two proportions is not significant. If it is rejected, then you can not. Okay, so this is our sum of method number 4. If you have any query in this question, you can ask